Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to start using BCMS with Next.js. There are practically three situations. You either already have a project, in which case you just need to add necessary configuration, or you're starting from scratch, where you can either start from a code starter or adding necessary configuration to a newly created Next.js project. In this video I'm going to show you how to start BCMS with code starter. For that, I have an empty folder and I'm going to run npx the BCMS CLI create next starter. And what it does, it asks me about my project name. So I'll say my next project. And it asks me to pick a code starter. This is a list of available starters. You can also check them on our website or on the GitHub repository github.com/bcms/starters. I'm going to use simple blog. What it does, it pulls the GitHub repository, creates a new project on BCMS called my next project, creates a new API key, and connects everything locally for us to start with the development. So if I open this folder and go to source app, there is only one route, blog, and on the home page it has some content. Let me go to cd my project, npm install, and after it installs everything, we can start with npm run dev. Okay, so this is just a regular normal project, and let me walk you through what we have here. In the root of the project, we have BCMS config with just this simple configuration for the BCMS client. We also have tsconfig, which has module resolution node, and we have in our source folder app, we also have BCMS client. There's also in package.json updates to dev, build, start, and lint. They always start with BCMS pull types and for which language. What it does, it pulls types from the BCMS, not just the regular development types, but also type of our content. So for example, if our blog has title, slug, and cover image, we are going to get type for that blog containing those three properties properly typed. So let me walk you through BCMS and what we got there. Here I got my next project, and it has blog template with this configuration, some media uploaded, and 4 blog entries. When I open one, here is how it looks like, and that's pretty much it. So in our code base, if I open this is how it looks like. I have 4 blog posts, and each has some content, pretty basic stuff here. Let me walk you through the implementation now. So on the page which serves as a home page, we are getting all BCMS entries. So we are importing BCMS from BCMS client and saying BCMS entry get all and the template name or ID, in our case blog. On the single blog page, we are not getting all blogs. Instead, we are getting BCMS entry get by slug, passing params slug property for the template blog, and showing the content here. BCMS comes with BCMS image, which allows you to just pass the value from BCMS for the media type, and it will going to handle displaying images in the correct sizes, getting the public URL for them, and so on. The same goes for the content manager, which allows you to parse content like rich text, formatting like headings, bold, italics, links, and everything else. So you don't need to go through JSON output from the BCMS. That's the whole implementation. Here on the BCMS docs, under integrations for Next.js, you can see the same steps, either starting using BCMS with Next.js by initializing starter, or starting from scratch by creating Next.js project, installing necessary packages, adding necessary configuration to the package.json, TypeScript config, BCMS config, and initializing the client.